UK court recognizes NFTs as private property. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. At the beginning of May, the British Web3 community celebrated an important legal precedent. The High Court of Justice in London, the closest analogue to the United States Supreme Court, has ruled that non-fungible tokens, NFT, represent private property. In the court's ruling, this private property status does not extend to the actual underlying content that NFT represents. Cointelegraph reached out to legal experts to understand what this decision could possibly change in the British legal landscape. Osborne claimed that the pieces, stolen from her MetaMask wallet, later emerged on the OpenSea market. She traced down the NFTs with the help of the security and intelligence firm Mitmark. In its comment on the decision, Stevenson law firm called a freezing injunction quite a draconian remedy, describing it as a nuclear weapon of law. Rachel Muldoon, the counsel on the case, highlighted the utmost significance of the ruling, which, she said, removes any uncertainty that NFTs are property in and of themselves, distinct from the thing they represent, under the law of England and Wales. While the NFTs are already enjoying the status of property in their treatment by the US Internal Revenue Service, the proclaimed difference between the token and the underlying asset does little to fill the current legislative vacuum in the UK and United States. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. As Assistant Director of the Institute of Art and Law, Emily Gould reminded in her opinion piece on the case, UK court's decisions, regulatory developments and governmental studies over the past few years have been increasingly consonant in categorizing crypto assets as property. The underlying property or asset that the NFT represents, be that artwork or any other copyrightable material, are still governed in the UK by the same copyright laws as in the United States. Tom Graham, UK-based CEO and co-founder of Web3 company Metaphysic.ai, explained to Cointelegraph. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.